Okay, I've got my rice, I've got my miso soup, I've got my natto, I've got my spring onions. So here we go. Got a couple sauces here. Looks appetizing. Now I read somewhere that how do you get this out of here? Wow. I read somewhere that the more you mix it, the better the umami flavor is. And you're supposed to mix it 400 times. I'm not going to do that here, but wow. That is nice and slimy. Wow. That is an arm workout. That is a wrist workout. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Gonna add these sauce. Oh. And I can't open it. Yeah. I have no idea what this is. Mustard. Some kind of mustard, I think. Okay. It's even slimier. Man, that looks like a bowl of mucus. It's appetizing. Oh man. Okay. Just gonna pretend they're jelly beans. Okay. I'm gonna put this on my rice. Wow. I'm gonna top it with some green onions. I gotta say, it does look pretty good. Okay, here we go. Diving in. Oh man. I can't even grab it. Wow, it doesn't taste anything like I expected it to taste. It actually has a very neutral kind of nutty flavor. Tastes like beans. Kind of tastes like pinto beans. Yeah, it's got this kind of earthy nuttiness to it. It's not bad at all. I don't know what all the fuss is about. I actually think it's pretty good. I could eat this. And there you have it. My first encounter with natto. I think I'm going to add this to my rotation. Just going to give oatmeal a run for its money. The sliminess doesn't actually bother me that much at all. It doesn't have as much of a slimy texture as I thought it would. Surprisingly good. Chase it with some miso soup and we're good to go. That's lunch. Thanks for watching.